looking for something for our twin girls. Do you have any...
Oh my god! Oh my god, I love it! It's perfect! And it's pink too! We love pink!
Yeah, what you're looking for is in the "Are you serious? No way!" section of the store, which is right this way.
The best gifts get the best reactions, so find great deals on laptops and computers and pick up Guns N' Roses Chinese Democracy this Sunday. Best Buy.
Lego Indiana Jones and Kung Fu Panda.
May old fat contracts be forgotten, it's time for them to go. So leave them in the dust right now because they really blow. Kudo.
There we have it. That's solid brass, 6-pin, shrouded Chinese Yale lock. Sent to me by Jack CC5 in a trade. Fairly challenging pick. I slaughtered it with a bow guitar in my last vid. Figured I'd SPP it for all ya. Squeeze one last vid out of it before it goes up into the shelf, into the collection. So there it is anyway. Peace. Don't break the law. Don't use this info for any illegal shit. And have fun. That's the most important thing. Have fun and get your picking tools at UK Lock Pickers. They got a lot of great stuff there. Until next time. Peace.